Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best table chop saw combos that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the RIKON Power Tools 10306110 Deluxe Bandsaw. If you're looking for a benchtop bandsaw that can do it all, look no further. For a large contingent of woodworkers, this is all the saw you'll need, and it has plenty of power to tackle anything from craft work to chair making and more. The RIKON Power Tools 10306110 Deluxe Bandsaw cuts up to 3/1/2 inches deep and 9 inches wide, with a blade that rotates up to 2,500 RPM. The saw includes 5 MP 110V 60 Hz motor, a table 13.3/4x12/1/, one fence 12/1/4x2-3/8, one dust port 21/2OD21/4ID. More specifications. Dimensions 34/1/4HX21WX16/1/4D with 15/7/8WX93/8D base. Table can tilt 5 degrees left, 45 degrees right, 110 volts, 1720 RPM, 79.8 pounds. Corded electric power source. Requires 1 lithium-ion battery. Moving on at number 4, we have the dual 12-inch miter saw. The dual 12-inch miter saw, DWS 715, stands out for its powerful 15-amp motor and precise cutting capabilities, making it an ideal choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers. With a 12-inch, 80-tooth blade, it slices through hardwoods and larger stock effortlessly. Its integrated XPS system projects shadow line for precise cuts, while the tall sliding fence supports crown molding work. You'll appreciate the miter detent plate with 14 stops for consistent accuracy. Weighing 42.8 pounds, it's portable, but a cart is handy. Rated 4.7 stars, it's priced around $259 on Amazon, offering reliability and performance. At number 3, we have the dual 20VMX 71/4-inch miter saw. Looking for a cordless miter saw that's compact yet powerful? The dual 20VMX 71/4-inch miter saw, DCS 361B, might just be the tool for you. Weighing 30 pounds, it's easy to transport, perfect for small job sites. It boasts a speed of 4,500 RPM and can make 183 cuts of 2 multiplied by 4 pine on 1 charge. With an oversized bevel scale and 11 positive miter stops, you'll achieve precise cuts effortlessly. Users love its portability and precision, though some note the clamp design isn't ideal. Ideal for finish carpentry, trim work, and quick home improvement tasks. At number 2, we have the RYOBI 71/4N miter saw 9 AMP. Lightweight. The RYOBI 71/4N miter saw packs a powerful punch with its 9 AMP motor, delivering 5,100 RPM. It's compact and lightweight at just 19 pounds, making it perfect for DIY projects around the house. You'll appreciate the included 24T carbide tipped blade and safety features. With a 11/4N dust port, your workspace stays clean while you achieve fast, precise cuts on boards up to 2 X4N. Its 45-degree cutting angle and spindle lock add versatility. Garnering a 4.6 star rating, users love its portability, though some note the blade's sharpness and dust collection could improve. And finally, at number 1, we have the dual double bevel sliding miter saw. When precision and power are your top priorities, the dual double bevel sliding miter saw 12-inch compound DWS 780 stands out as an exceptional choice for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. With a robust 15-amp motor delivering 3,800 RPM, it handles heavy-duty applications effortlessly. The integrated cut-line system guarantees accuracy, while the XPS technology offers precise cut line indications without adjustments. You'll appreciate the dust collection system, capturing over 75% of sawdust, and the tall sliding fences that support larger moldings. Despite its weight, the saw's design allows smooth, accurate cuts, making it a reliable tool for any project. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.